Welcome to the IXACT Contact tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to easily add a customized Contact Us form to your website that visitors can fill out and their contact information is automatically fed into your IXACT Contact database. We have designed this feature to be easy to set up and use so that virtually anyone can add an elegant lead capture form to their existing website. With minimal HTML skills or some help from your website designer, you can easily add the form to your website either as a pop-up form or embedded directly into an existing page. This tutorial assumes that you have already set up your mass email header. Your website lead capture form includes elements of your email header, including your photo and your logo, or if you have set up a custom header, it can include your entire custom header. To customize your own website lead capture form, start by clicking the User Profile tab in the top navigation bar and then click the Website Lead Capture tab. Setting up your form is a simple four-step process. The first step is to customize what you want your form to say and look like. First, you set the title of your form. This can either be Contact Me, Contact Us if you're a member of your team, or whatever title you wish to use. The following selections depends on whether you are using a standard or custom email header. If you are using a standard header, you can choose any combination of your photo, your contact information, or your logo to appear at the top of your form. If you select all three, the top of your form will look just like your email header. Alternatively, if you are using a custom header, I'm going to quickly change my header. You then have the option to either include or exclude your entire header. I'm going to set this back to a standard header. And my options immediately change. Next, you set the title or header that will appear above your contact form. We have set a default, but once again you can set this to whatever you like. Now that you have customized the look and feel of your form, proceed to step 2, which allows you to automatically set the original source of contact that you wish to set for any contact profile that comes in from your lead capture form. We have defaulted this to website, but you can set it to whatever you wish. If the selection you desire is not in the list, simply click the Modify List link to add it to your list and then select it. And you have now completed the setup of your form. Step 3 is simply to click the Save Your Preferences and Preview Your Web Page button in order to preview your form. And there's my form. By the way, if the form does not appear, please make sure that you have your browser set to allow pop-ups for the IXACT Contact website. What you see is exactly what the form will look like when accessed from your website. We have used monochrome colors so that the form will fit nicely with any website design. If you wish to change any of the options on the form, simply close it, make the desired changes, and click the Save Your Preferences button again. The form is immediately updated to reflect your changes. If I change my email header setup to be a custom header, and I already have one set up, and return to my website lead capture form, you will see that the form immediately updates to include my custom header instead of my standardized header. To see what happens when a visitor to your website submits the lead capture form, you can simply fill out and submit the previewed form. I'm going to do that. I submit the form. When a visitor to your website submits the form, you will automatically receive an email notification that includes all the information that they filled out. Website leads do not go directly into your contact database, but into your pending bucket, just like imported contacts. If somebody fills out the form with junk information, you do not want this going directly into your actual contact database. To review your new website leads, click the Utilities button in the top navigation bar. Your pending website leads are listed under Imported and Synchronized Contacts, along with any other pending contacts that you may not yet have dealt with. The word website under the source column indicates that this pending contact came from your website. The name and phone number are displayed, and you can click the View Comment link to see any comments entered by the visitor. If you determine that the information is junk, simply click the Reject button say OK to the confirmation message, and the contact will be deleted from your database. If you would like to add the lead to your contact database without adding any further information, you can simply click the Accept button and click OK to the confirmation message. However, if you would like to add the lead to your database, but add some further information to the contact profile before doing so, click the Update link, add the additional information, and click the Save button. Notice that the contact has been assigned a contact type of prospect, and the original source has been automatically set to the default that we set when setting up the lead capture form. Also notice that any notes or comments entered by the visitor to your website when filling out the form are added to the Notes section of the original Source of Contact section of the Contact Profile page. Once you are happy with the setup of your form, your personalized HTML link can now be copied to your website in order to add your new Contact Us page. To copy the link code, return to the website lead capture area in the user profile, and under Step 4, highlight the automatically generated code, then right-click and select Copy. You can now either copy the code directly to your website yourself or email it to your website designer to add it to your website for you. The code is simply a hyperlink address that can be added anywhere on your website. It can either be added as a regular hyperlink or within an iframe. If you don't know what these terms mean, your website designer likely will. If you would like a further explanation of these options, you can call one of our friendly customer support reps at any time. You now know how to add an attractive, customized lead capture form to your website, which will feed your website leads directly into your IXACT contact database, saving you valuable time. Thank you for watching this installment of the IXACT Contact tutorial series. We hope you found it informative and easy to follow. As always, if you require further assistance, please contact customer support.